definitely was not in the filmmaking mood, but unfortunately, riding down the road today, my window decided to just drop. So now that I'm back, I just wanted to just do a little quick video of what I found. Took all of this stuff apart. Took the entire door off, as you can see. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but back up in there, the glass is still good, but the motor, you can just see and hear. I don't even know. The windings on the motor. The wire on the motor is just like crunched up and crinkling and clinking. So never done this before, but I guess somebody wanted to continue to test my so-called hands-on skills. So I'm gonna see how this thing goes. Okay, so as you can see, the regulator's gone, but to do so, take a center bolt out here, loosen the bolt up here, loosen here, loosen here, and loosen back in there. So after you loosen those, you lift it up. You're gonna collapse it, disconnect your motor here. You're gonna wiggle it out this slot. I had a buddy of mine hold the window up in the air while I wiggled the motor out. And here is our regulator on the ground. Got all tangled up and decided to drop. Got caught up all behind the spool and decided to make me do some work today. So about to run down to the store, get the new one, and go ahead and pop it in. Get my work truck back running. The old one. So what I'm doing, I'm just holding the window up with some duct tape. Get it good on both sides so the glass doesn't drop down and break while you're working. Put some rags in here while I was riding to the store. So it happened to drop on me. Didn't break. Put this in same way I took it out. I said I never did this before, but if you're mechanically inclined, you can figure it out. So when you're putting this stuff together, you know, just take your time. You don't want to over tighten anything. Make sure everything nice and snug. If you do want to know your torque, look in your owner's manual. My main thing that I always say, put it back the way you took it out. Can't go wrong. Take a picture of it if you have to. This would help. Taking off my tape. You have some razor blade. Just had my tally. I'm not sure the torque specs on this, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to go cranking these down too much. This is a 10 millimeter. get to this point where you're taking it off, you use a razor blade, slowly pull it off. Some people disconnect this wire from the handle. I just press the little tab on the back of the door. Get that little twist in. It's that one screw to try to figure out where's it go to. And the second I saw it, I already knew where it goes to. Normally, I say you just chuck it. I don't know if you can see that hole right there.